The COMELEC affirms on their resolve to continue the preparations for the first Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao or BARM elections, as our Luisa Erispe reports.
The Commission on Elections, or COMELEC, is now on full blast with its preparations for the first parliamentary elections in the Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao, or BARM. According to COMELEC, with 97 days before the elections, they will make everything ready as the elections is set to take place on October 13.
Full blast na po kami sa ating pong paghahanda. In fact, sa kasalukuyan, tinatapos na po ngayon. Hopefully by next week tapos na ang source code para sa Bangsamoro election. At pagkatapos niya, nasusunod na po niyan yung aming pong sa timeline natin yung pong trusted build na yung mismong international certifying body natin, yung PRO-VNB ay dadako muli papunta dito sa Pilipinas upang mag-conduct ng trusted build.
The poll body even stood firm that it will push through with the elections, even for only 73 seats for parliamentary district representatives. The Bangsamoro Transition Authority, or BTA, tried to plead for an extension of the law in redistributing the 7 seats supposed to be allocated for Sulu, but the poll body insists they have no time to wait and should continue with their preparations as it is.
Hindi po ganun kadali ang pag-redistribute o re-apportion. Alam na alam po ito ng ating kagalang-galang na parlamento sapagkat kakailanganin po namin ng malawakang voters information upang ma-inform yung mga kababayan natin bakit nalipat ang kanilang precinct, ang kanilang lugar, bayan, doon sa bagong distrito.
The COMELEC will be using the same system they have used during the 2025 elections, but there were modifications made on the ballot faces and the machines to improve its functions and refrain from paper jamming.
Meron kasing mga ilang report nung nakaraan na nagkaroon ng paper jam na hindi nagpe-paper jam na pala sa loob, hindi pa nalalaman ng ating mga guro o electoral board members. So yan ay may mga corresponding adjustment na pinag-usapan natin together with the representatives no mga eksperto ng mismong MIRU upang mas papaayos pa mapaganda yung ating makina.
On August 14, the election period and the gun ban for BARM will officially start. As of now, there are no areas yet under the red category, and it is possible that they will lift the order for COMELEC control on 2 areas for BARM. The poll body assured they have boosted their security forces to enforce the order that private armed groups will not be allowed during the election period. Luisa Erispe from the National TV for a new and better Philippines.